Hey guys, welcome back to MT Paradise's Cards and Collectibles. So this is the part 2 to the Amazon Black Box Case H unboxing. I do have 3 more of these cases. In the previous video, I opened 3 cases, so if you guys have not seen that, go check that out as well. But we're going to go ahead and open up all 3 of these. And if you guys do want to pick up an Amazon Black Box, there's going to be a link in the description down below, so you guys can go do that. And there is the chance of a super treasure hunt, so hopefully I get that here. But let's go ahead and get started with the case unboxings. Alright, so starting off we have a Batman Forever Batmobile. And then we have a cool combi. Okay, we have the 70 Dodge Charger tuned, and it's from the Fast and the Furious. And then the Lamborghini Sian 37. Alright, so we have Twinduction and a Bone Shaker. A Cloak and Dagger and Hot Wheel 4-track. So we have a Corvette Grand Sport Roadster, and it's actually from the Fast and the Furious as well. And then a 70 Dodge Power Wagon. Fast Feline, Jaguar I-Pace E Trophy. The Pagani Zonda R in a really nice blue. And the 71 Plymouth GTX. And the last 2 for this case, we have the Pro Street Thunderbird, as well as a BMW i8 Roadster. So I'm going to go ahead and, well, obviously we did not get the regular treasure hunt or the super treasure hunt. So set that box aside. We still have 2 more cases. So hopefully we have better luck with one of these 2, or maybe both of these 2. That would be awesome. Let's go ahead and slice it open here. There we go. I usually try not to look in it until I'm like actually looking at the cars. Alright, Batman Forever Batmobile. Cool combi. '70 Dodge Charger tuned from Fast and Furious. Lamborghini Sian. The Twinduction Bone Shaker. Cloak and Dagger, Hot Wheel 4-track, the Pro Street Thunderbird, BMW i8 Roadster, the Plymouth GTX, Pagani Zonda R, Fast Feline, Jaguar I-Pace E Trophy. The Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. And the Dodge Power Wagon. Alright, so same thing with that case. It's actually kind of interesting that in the previous video I had 3 cases that were pretty much identical. So far these 2 cases have been pretty much identical. So hopefully this last case will be a little different. And I really hope I get that super. Also, I do have on my channel a Hot Wheel case unboxing from a main case of 72. So you guys can go check that out as well. But, oh, come on. There we go. This is the final box. So I really hope I get something awesome in here. So we got Cloak and Dagger, Hot Wheel 4-track. Twinduction, Bone Shaker, the Dodge Charger from Fast and the Furious, tuned, Lamborghini Sian, Batman Forever Batmobile, cool combi, the Pro Street Thunderbird, BMW i8 Roadster, Plymouth GTX, Pagani Zonda R, Fast Feline, Jaguar I-Pace E Trophy, and the last two cars are Corvette Grand Sport Roadster and the Dodge Power Wagon. So, wow. So these three cases were a bust. That's a little unfortunate. Did not get the Super Treasure Hunt from this. I did get some pretty cool stuff in the part 1 of this video, so definitely go check out that video. Got some really awesome cars. So the cases are a little bit different every time, so I do like how they kind of change it up a little bit. So definitely go check out that video. If you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit the like button. And as you can see, I have a lot more Amazon black boxes that I've ordered in the past. I do have a lot of case unboxings, so if you guys want to pick that up, link in the description down below. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.